Artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence.
Like artificial intelligence.
AI is booming, but there's a major problem in the GPU field. GPUs are expensive, centralized, and hard to access. Big tech controls the market, leaving smaller players struggling. But what if GPU power was decentralized, cheaper, and available to everyone? That's exactly what GPUnet is building. GPUnet is a decentralized network that rents out idle, high-performance GPUs for AI, gaming, and blockchain tasks, without paying Amazon Web Services or Google Cloud. Instead of relying on big tech, it taps into a global pool of GPUs, making compute power cheaper, faster, and truly decentralized. Confused? Let's break it down. Three core participants are involved in the process: the providers, the users, and the validators. The providers are those with idle GPU like you and me who are willing to rent it out and earn rewards. We list it out on GPUnet's platform for those in need of it at a price. The users are gamers, developers, blockchain project owners, scientists, and the likes. They choose the GPU which matches their preferences on the GPUnet's dashboard and pay for it. While the validators are those that validate blocks, verify transactions between the two parties, and keep the network secure. Now there's a question: what powers all these activities? It's impossible to say all these runs by itself. The answer is GPUnet. GPUnet is GPUnet's Layer 1 blockchain. This blockchain makes it possible to track and manage GPU power from different people. Through their implemented hybrid proof of work and proof of stake mechanism, it prevents network attacks, high energy consumption, slow transactions, and fraud by combining both strengths. Simply put, think of GPUnet as Airbnb for GPU power, but instead of renting houses, you're renting compute power. But wait, that's not where we're headed. GPUnet has been in action for a number of years, and over time they've improved drastically and achieved a lot. Let's take a bird's-eye view at their 2024 achievements and future milestones. The first is the increase in revenue. GPUnet has generated $10 million in revenue, with $9.8 million from partnerships and $200,000 from their dApp. They set aside a $500,000 reward pool for node holders, with 5+ holders getting more rewards. Through this approach, they're incentivizing network participation, which strengthens decentralization. The second is their partnerships, one of the most important. At the core is their partnership with NVIDIA, CDAC, Yoda Infrastructure, G42, Scalia Infrastructure, and a host of others. These partnerships equips them with financial backing, compute capacity, infrastructure scalability, and solidifies them as a leading decentralized compute provider. The third is the beast-like expansion in their products. They made it easy for users to rent high-tech GPUs like NVIDIA H10490 at prices up to 60% cheaper than Amazon. They added GPU power from data centers worldwide to enable feasible and affordable compute solutions for users. They connected 4 global data centers, CDAC, Yotta, Northern Data, and G42, into one unified network for improved efficiency. They introduced Queen staking, letting node holders earn passive rewards. They developed GPUnet as a hybrid proof-of-work proof of stake blockchain with rapid 6-second block confirmations, and additionally introduced Stellar Upgrade, which addresses chain issues. They also made node setup easy with plug-and-play Docker solutions and also added multipliers. Finally, they offer NVIDIA H100 GPU rentals starting at just $1 per hour, making high-performance computing affordable. All these are massive. These upgrades help position GPUnet as the future of decentralized computing, making high-performance GPU power more accessible, profitable, and efficient for everyone involved. At the end of the team implementing these changes and growing over time, they had faced significant growth. The node count has increased to a whopping 5,328 nodes globally. They had also successfully onboarded 250+ validators on GPUnet, earning 480 GP tokens daily. Lastly, the Queen staking model they introduced has propelled 30+ nodes to stake over $100,000 while earning over 200% APR. This brought GPUnet to recognition by several KOLs and investors like Alex Becker, Elio Trades, Virtual Bacon, Crypto Banter, and Kong BTC. What's more huge than this? While all these have been achieved the previous year, the question remains, what's next for 2025? Is that all there is? The answer is no. GPUnet is set to release agentic compute barrels. This NFT barrel contains compute credits worth $500 and can be used to train AL models, render 3D models, data analysis, gaming, and a whole bunch of other stuffs. All are made possible with GPUs like NVIDIA H100, A100, and more. Diving more into the compute barrels, GPUnet has also created a way for users to earn. Here's it. Users who accumulate 11 compute barrels earn $6,666 yearly plus governance. They are termed validators. Users who accumulate 33 nodes earn $10,000 annually. These categories are termed queens. While users who accumulate 99 nodes can launch a subnet, which means they can manage their own computing network within GPUnet. This category earn 120 GP tokens daily and are tagged king subnets. At this point, you need to stop what you're doing and join the moving train now. Aside the barrels, they're planning on enhancing their DApp features through integration of 100 plus high-end GPUs. The Nova mainnet launch is another important mark in their roadmap. Here, queens will have the power to evaluate king subnets based on their performance, which may impact decisions, rewards, or their status in GPUnet. They're also focused on more partnerships growing their community, and finally TGE. This event is set to take place in February and will definitely unlock new token utility and rewards. What's more exciting than this? GPUnet becomes a general-purpose unit by evolving beyond just GPU rentals into a full-fledged, decentralized compute network that supports various workloads including AI, blockchain, gaming, and scientific research. Their expansions and the constant desire to keep upgrading are its fuel, and the results you see are only the starting point. This great innovation was brought to light by Suraj Shala, a former physicist who turned entrepreneur with a solid knowledge in AI, blockchain, and DPUN. He's proven to be a leader and a problem solver. My respects. From my honest point of view, not exaggerating at all, I think most projects would reach heights like GPUnet if they maintain the burning desire to continue upgrading and engaging with the community. The only way to build something solid is through consistency and being ever revolving, and GPUnet has done it like a boss.